The surprising side effects of pregnancy: morning sickness, gas and bloating, nausea, swollen ankles, frequent urination. These are just some of the more common side effects of pregnancy. But there are a lot more. In the 9 months of pregnancy, women's whole body completely changes. And there are some side effects that are actually really surprising and honestly, pretty weird. So, let's talk about some of the most surprising side effects of pregnancy and let's talk about why they're caused. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and do give this video a big thumbs up. With that being said, let's get right into it. Over the course of pregnancy, there is a huge range of hormones in the body. Every organ of the body changes. Muscles and joints shift. Heart starts pounding faster. And it all happens as soon as pregnancy starts. So, let's just list down some of the most surprising and pretty weird pregnancy side effects. Number 1. You sweat a lot. This might sound weird, but when you're pregnant, even though it might be really cold, you'll be sweating. And you'll be sweating from places you never used to sweat from before. I know it sounds extremely weird, but it's actually a very common side effect of being pregnant. So, why does this happen? Well, even though you're not technically working out, but when you're pregnant, your body is working all day and all night to make another human. And of course, that's tough work. Also, your blood flow and metabolism get really fast during pregnancy, and that also causes your body temperature to rise. And of course, that's another reason to be sweaty. Number 2, you drool quite a lot too. Sweating isn't the only way you'll be losing water from your body during pregnancy. As weird as it sounds, during pregnancy, women tend to drool a lot too. Their mouth feels watery pretty much all the time, and it happens especially when they feel nauseous. But the good news is this side effect can be countered. You can eat lots of plain, dry crackers for that. Also, a lot of saliva can also be produced because of dehydration, so another way to counter this side effect is drinking lots and lots of water. And hey, even if you're not drooling a lot, drinking extra water during pregnancy is always a good idea. Number 3, your nose can get pretty annoying. I'm sure you've heard that almost every part of the body swells up during pregnancy. Well, even your nose is one of them. That's because a very high level of estrogen and progesterone increases blood flow to the mucous membranes of the body. And well, thanks to that, you'll be sneezing, snoring, sniffling, coughing and gagging a lot, especially at night. And sometimes, you might even experience a lot of nosebleeds. There's no way to stop this entirely but to make yourself a little more comfortable while sleeping. You can sleep on your side and use a humidifier when you sleep. Saline nose drops can help too. Number 4, your skin gets very different. The pretty glow, rosy cheeks, plump lips. You probably think that's the only way your skin changes during pregnancy, right? How is that a side effect? Well, sure, there are some perks, but with all that, you also get stretch marks, varicose veins, dark spots and skin tags. Doesn't sound much like a perk now, does it? So, why does it happen? Well, it's because during pregnancy, your body produces extra melanin. Mixed with all the hormonal changes, this extra melanin leads to a lot of skin changes. Make sure to use a lot of sunblock and lotion during pregnancy, otherwise you'll end up getting really frustrated with your skin. Number 5, your voice gets somewhat manly. This is probably the most surprising side effect of pregnancy, but yes, you might notice your voice getting deep or manly. But don't worry, it's nothing to stress out about. Like I said, all the hormonal changes during pregnancy end up swelling up all parts of your body. Well, that's why your vocal cords tend to swell up too. It does get pretty annoying, but don't worry, it's not permanent. A few weeks after delivery, your voice will be back to normal. Number 6, you'll get weirder and more vivid dreams. You know, usually, you get a dream and just forget all about it the next morning? Well, you'll realize that's not the case during pregnancy. You'll remember every detail of the dream when you're pregnant. Dreams will increase, and here's the worst part. These dreams will be a lot more disturbing than normal. Mostly, these dreams relate to your pregnancy. That means the trimester you're in and the things that are happening with your body. Pregnancy is a pretty stressful and scary time, and it's true all women are confused or having second thoughts. Well, these feelings tend to show up in your dreams. Of course, these dreams can be very stressful, but don't worry, they're normal and they won't last long. Number 7, your hair grows really fast. Another change brought by pregnancy hormones is to your hair. Your hair's texture and growth can vary a lot. Your hair will grow faster, thicker, and you'll notice a significant decrease in hair fall. Also, your nails will grow faster and become a lot stronger. That sounds like a good thing, right? Well, with it comes a huge disadvantage as well. Because you see, when I talk about hair, it's not just hair on your scalp. Hair will grow a lot faster in unwanted places as well, like your belly or even your face. But again, that doesn't last too long. And your hair growth will be back to normal just a few months after delivery. Well, that's all for today, folks. I know all these side effects might seem scary, but it's okay. All of them will completely leave after 9 months. But of course, if they tend to stay even after delivery or they tend to make you a bit too uncomfortable, it's always a good idea to reach out to a doctor or consultant. And with that, we end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss out on future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out and have a great day.